Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be reviewing the Clinique, what is it called? Almost Powder Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF. And this is in the shade 05 Medium. So I'm really excited about this because it's supposed to be very light but coverage. And you know, I steer more towards the light. My dog is gonna make an appearance here in a second and he's like rolling around in my bed upstairs, but that's what that is if you hear it. But anyway, so this is like a lighter powder foundation with sunscreen in it. So I love that. So yeah, I'm really excited about this because I think it's gonna work well with my skin. So let's read and see what it says. It's sold at Ulta. It's $31. And they didn't have very many shades. I think that it's supposed to be like a flexible shade. Let's see what it says. More than minerals, skin looks, acts happier, long wear formula, helps keep pores out of trouble. Broad spectrum SPF 18 protects skin. This natural perfecting, no makeup is so lightweight you'll never even feel it. Clinique Almost Powder makeup is so foolproof. You can apply it with a sponge, a brush, and almost with your eyes closed. I like that because I'm a fool. That's it. There aren't any more details for this. So yeah, I guess we're just going to get into applying it to the face. So yeah, I got shade medium 5. This is what it looks like. And we'll swatch it. Yeah, it doesn't seem like a ton of coverage. I mean, that's what it said though online, that it's supposed to be super light. Yeah, let's just get into it. We're gonna apply. All I did to do this was my moisturizer, and then I've been doing my normal combo. That's why I'm not gonna do it on camera because you're probably sick of seeing it. It's the Fit Me Matte and Poreless with sunscreen, and then the Smashbox Minimizing Primer. And then I also did concealer today. I decided after editing videos that I need concealer every day. So the Fenty Brightening Concealer for these baggy dark eyes. So that's all I did. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on the face and see how it goes. Ooh, it doesn't seem very powdery. It seems creamy, so I like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, to apply it to half my face, this half, just looking in the mirror here, it does not look like it's not there. It looks like it's there. It looks like I'm wearing a powder foundation. It's not really wanting to go on my forehead very well. I don't know why, but you can definitely see it. So I'll show you. So here's the undone side, and then the done side. So it's definitely like covering, but I think it's more coverage than what they're saying. So done side, and then undone side. So let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the face, and we'll go from there. We're done applying, and this is what it looks like. So it definitely has a lot of coverage. I don't know, it's doing something a little bit weird with the concealer. It's making it look just a little bit more dry. But I mean, it definitely has coverage. It's definitely evening out my skin tone. So you know the drill, we are going to do a car check-in as we leave and then take you throughout my day. I'm gonna be at the office most of the day, so we'll do a couple of check-ins there. And then I have a couple of appointments later. We'll layer it up and see if it layers well. Yeah, so I guess I'll just check you guys in a little bit. Okay, here's our car check-in in the natural sunlight. And yeah, it's just looking like I'm wearing foundation. So if you like the look of wearing foundation, this might be for you. Do you see? It looks like I'm wearing a liquid foundation. So their claims of this being light is not appropriate. This is not a light powder foundation. This is a full coverage. I mean, my skin looks flawless, but it just looks heavy. So Puppers, say hi. He looks sad. We're going to grandma's house. So yeah, not loving this from the get-go. It's very heavy. I guess we'll see if it like creams up and does something. I'm scared to do a touch-up with it because I feel like it's just gonna get even cakier, but I will do it for the review. All right, I'll check you guys in a little bit. Hello, it is the end of the day and I wanted to do my final check-in. So, let's see. I have to tell you, okay, one, I don't really like this. Two, it calmed down a little bit on the, like, looking like I was wearing foundation. It still looks a little heavy on my skin. It did something weird with the concealer. It, like, dried it out, so didn't love that. But I will say one really good thing about this. The air conditioning is probably blowing or right in your face. I will say something really good about this is it kept me pretty matte during the day. Like, I didn't have to touch up or anything. We'll touch up here just to see how it layers, but it kept me pretty matte. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and do that right now, the touch up. I've had this on for about, let's see, it's 5 o'clock. I put it on, when did I put it on? I put it on at 10 o'clock, so 6-7 hours. And I'm this shiny. Like, I really should be shinier by now. You all know by now I'm super oily. Okay, so let's just go ahead and touch up. Here we go. Okay, I feel like the touch up did pretty well. It didn't make it look like even heavier and cakier. So I feel like you could touch up with this powder, but I'm looking in the sunlight and it just does not like this concealer. I don't know if it's this concealer or what, but it is just doing some weird things with that concealer and it does not look good. So moral of the story, end of the day, I don't like this. This isn't for me. If you like a heavier, more full coverage powder foundation, if that's what you're looking for, this might be your product. Be careful because it doesn't play well with concealers, I don't think. It definitely kept me matte, so that was amazing, but at the end of the day, I don't think this one's for me. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. This one didn't work out. You have some hits and you have some misses, right? Hit that subscribe button to follow my journey on the Perfect Man makeup, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.